everyone, today we are going to make a function. So we'll put something on something and then something will come out and then it will become something. Let's start! So should we do 1 or 3? Let's do 3 first. Now what should we apply on this little butterfly? Let's apply rainbow. Yeah. Turning, also shrinky winky. Oh, look what it has become. What if we put an eraser here on this poor butterfly instead? It will be gone. And if you want to take them back, you can go like this. But if you want, there's one more way you can do it. You can do it like this. And now it's back. And the second butterfly as well. And now, let's start a down. What will it happen to this butterfly? The can makes many of them. Cool. Now, should we make thousands of them? Now, there's one more thing we can apply on. Let's try it. If you're confused about one thing, you can use the wand. Then you can attach it here and then put it inside to be sure. And we are correct. But there's one more thing it does. It makes it colorful. And now a cherry. And now push it. And let's throw them back in. So if you want to, you can go it back to the normal and make it black and white. Down. Let's turn around. And now they're back to the normal place. We can try it. Then we can try this. What does this do? It does nothing. It makes it normal on the other side. And now if you want to go, let's keep trying. And now the mystery. So we'll try one by one. So now, what does it do? What did it do? It's the color changing one. Yay, we made it. Now the two. One of them is mirror image and the other one is let me see. So one of them is mirror image and the other one is yellow. And now the grade 3. Let's see what happens. One of them is the can. Another one is the upside down Ferris wheel. And another one could be the color changing one. So we passed the challenge. And now, what next? So if you wanted to see what it looks like at every stage, so one is turn, one is black and white, and another is this one. If you want to try this, let's try it. So what happens at this stage? This one is a color changing one, of course, and now here we need to see every stage. So let's on this, and now what it looks here. It's this one mirror image, and this mirror image, and then the yellow one. And now the 3. So let's retry. So we are putting this one on, and no, we can't do it. So it will be tricky. Oh yes, it's fine. So here it's yellow. Here, okay, this one. So this one's the yellow. This one's the yellow again. No, this one's black and white, and this one's yellow. Watch carefully again. Mirror image. Yellow. Oh, and no, black and white and yellow. We made it. So hope you enjoyed it. I'll be back with more simulations. Bye. Say your bye in the function 5. Should I do it to you too? Bye bye.